Hi viewers, this is vaishipon. In this tutorial I will show you how you can add or you can claim for website for your Pinterest account. First time you have to log into your Pinterest account and you have to go to settings and you have to click on claim. When you click on claim, you will get this interface, and from here you will get this option websites. You have to click here claim and you will get this message here. For WordPress website you have to copy this code and paste this code to your header section, or you can download this file HTML file and you can upload to your cpanel. And another way is add txt record, and I think this is the best method. Add this verification record to your domain host. You have to copy this code and you have to add this code to your domain. I am showing you, suppose this is my website gharanishop.com. I have to add DNS record to my Namecheap account. From your domain account you have to select the domain and you have to click on manage. Then you will get this interface, and from here you have to select Namecheap basic DNS. You have to go to advanced DNS, and here we have to add a record. We need txt record, that's why we have to select here txt record, and for host we have to write @ of. Now we have to copy this code copied, and we have to paste here on value, and now you have to click here save changes. Done. And when the procedure is done you have to just click here continue. Now we have to give our domain address here, copy, paste and verify. Done, connected. And now I think you know how you will verify your website or you will claim your website for Pinterest account. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel Online Business 7. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.